So I'm going to explain to you in this video some of the concepts of the novel Computer Programming for Teens. Well, textbook is really what you want to call it, rather than a novel. Okay, so let's get started. Chapter 1 sort of first introduces us to the binary system, the system which all data is executed. Specific data is executed from a specific set of numbers in a specific way. So, for instance, 0 and 1 are the two sets are the sets of numbers in a large grid of numbers. Basically, a number factorial explains to you how many possibilities there are to execute a program, and the value is near infinity in terms of what what pieces of data are possible within a computer. So that explains why computers are able to do so much. Chapter 2. Now, Chapter 2 explains what you first need to understand about the binary system. Specifically, what sort of programs can be made. So, for instance, if your program was trees, say you'd want to say the trees produces one sort of direction of bits, but then spruce tree, oak tree, those variables would just be within the domain tree. So basically, a function can be further and further simplified by the analyses. So, for instance, a large group of whatever. Anyway, so Chapter 3 then introduces how the functions are being used. PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So it's this order of how a computer makes certain things possible. So, for instance, 5 plus 4 would be 20, and you get 20 from 5 plus 4. If you add 5 plus 4 in parentheses plus 8, you would then have 5 plus 4 occur first, and then plus 8 occur secondly. So programming sort of works in that sort of way. PEMDAS. Okay. Then programming, it's now or never in Chapter 4. So Chapter 4 explains that there are multiple programming languages that have been developed to execute certain things. So, for instance, there's Java, there's C++, and there are several others I'm sure I can't name. But these programs execute certain things in a variety of ways, and each program is different and executes certain programming bits differently from another. So that's what I understand so far. It wasn't very clear, but it seemed clear enough by my likes.